Kraken Packs! Kraken Packs is back. Check out this 2007 Topps TX exclusive. There's 4 autos, 2 tickets that have Super Bowl, 2 cards that have Super Bowl tickets in it. And
I like it.
Check it out. There's actually 4 tickets, 2 of them are signed, and then 2 rookie autos.
I like it. Let's do it.
Let's see what we
got here. What do we got here?
I got a rip box, I think. There it is. All right. 12 packs.
Make them good ones.
Dan Marino. Devin Hester. Heinz Ward. For those of you that don't know, there's a Heinz Ward inside joke. Maybe one day Dave will tell it. Rex. This is a. Oh, that's a rookie. Green.
Oh, what do we got? What do we got?
Brian Dawkins auto. Super Bowl. What is that? 39.
Know your Roman numerals, people.
Otherwise, you won't be able to crack packs with the best of them. Let's see, I think, did I miss a green auto? The first one? Yeah, whatever. I must have got the damn Marino instead of the rookie in that first pack. Damn it.
Donald Driver.
6 out of 149, I think that is.
And there's the other Super Bowl ticket. Not autographed, but...
Sean Alexander, Super Bowl 40.
Extra large.
So we got 4 more hits. The thing I like about this product is the PPH is very strong. PPH is about $20.
What do we got?
Michael Johnson rookie card.
Mm-hmm.
And a Mushin Muhammad Super Bowl 41. And there's 4 autos, so your PPA is pretty strong at about $30 at the most, I think.
So we got 1 already.
Gonna have 2 rookie autos in these packs, along with 1 more Super Bowl ticket. This one's number 249, 48 out of 49.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, there's
Roethlisberger.
3 tickets.
Wow. Got a hot box.
Could have a hot box.
Hot box of tickets.
I could have a hot box. Having trouble with this pack. Marcus McCauley.
Oh, there's the auto.
And an auto of Darius Walker. Not numbered. Tank Tyler. Another Chris Jenkins. Super Bowl 38.
We got a hot box, folks.
Don't want to miss
any.
Got
a hot box.
Should have at least 1 more auto. Rookie auto. Tony Hunt. 21 out of 149.
So jersey.
Oh, jersey.
Roy Williams.
I didn't see that.
Come on, guy. Well, you got eagle eyes back here.
99 out of 199. I don't know if you were looking at a close-up right there. And a Tom Brady. Dave is known as Eagle Eye because he can see anything. When you're watching a game, they might as well call him instead of Pereira, the league officials, because Dave knows first.
They should have the official's phone right in my house.
There's a Joe Thomas. 331 of 599. And a Fred Taylor season ticket, 295 out of 399.
How many packs? 2 packs? 3 packs?
Maybe 3, I don't know. I'm having so much fun. I don't want to stop. Brian Urlacher. Chad's going to want that one.
Postseason ticket.
Ooh, number, what is it, 61 out of 99? And a Larry Johnson. 443 out of 499. So far, I really like this product. And a double cowboy to end it.
Wow.
Oh, 2 packs.
2 packs?
Should have one more auto coming my way. Didn't expect that jersey card, but
we'll take it.
We'll take it. We'll put it on eBay one of these days. Jason Hill rookie.
Super Bowl ticket stub autograph card. Napoleon Harris.
Do you even know who that guy is?
Of course.
Who is that? Is that the Raider guy?
Oh, well, yeah.
And
Raiders.
another auto.
Wow.
Of a Luke Getsy. They must have gave me 2 because I've never heard of this.
They felt bad. One was a Napoleon Harris and the other one's a no-name. So we might as well just stick it in 1 pack. It's not going to matter.
Yeah. Hey, I never got a hot box. You may want to get a close up of that Luke Getsy because I think that's a
hot box.
That's a 101. Randy Moss, you know. Rod Woodson. Oh, I was hoping for an auto behind.
Oh.
But it's got to be Eli Manning.
Manning and Shockey?
Yeah. Number 2, 63 out of 149. And finish it off with another Shockey. And that shocks me.
All right, I think we got a hot box. You got quite a bit of stuff here with all these Super Bowl tickets. Some pretty good looking stuff. That big no-name guy. If anybody has any info on that guy, you can let us know.
So I actually got 5 autos. You're only guaranteed 3. Couple rookies, and then you got your Larry Johnson.
Not bad. All right.
Nice. See us next time on Crackin' Packs.